Tudor Pelagos FXD GMT Marine Nationale watch. Main features are case size 42 mm. Case material is titanium, satin brushed finish, fixed strap bars. Lugs is 22 mm lug width. Case thickness is 12.7 mm. Movement caliber number is MT5652U. Movement is self-winding mechanical movement with bidirectional rotor system. Integrated GMT function. Power reserve is approximately 65-hour power reserve. Winding crown titanium crown, adorned with the TUDOR shield. Bracelet green one-piece fabric strap with titanium pin buckle and keeper. Extra removable fabric keeper with the French Naval Aviation roundel. 24-hour bidirectional rotatable bezel in titanium with black ceramic insert. Water resistance is 200 meters or 660 feet. Dial color is matte black. Hour markers painted beige. Crystal sapphire crystal. Reference number is M2542G247NU2.